If someone could give you guarantee that they can make you fluent in English in 100 days, what would you say? Will you say
Yes?
yes or no?
No?
Or you will not believe that person? Whatever you say. But I can give this guarantee that if you will follow this plan which I am presenting you guys, and you will be true and honest to it, then I can make you fluent in English in 100 days. But the condition is that whatever I'll say, you have to do that. If you are ready to make the hard work, you are convinced enough to do the action, then definitely you should watch this video, because this video is going to be the best video on my channel, hands down, because for this video I have done a lot of preparation. You have seen in the thumbnail, we are now going for a challenge of 100 days, and we are going to learn English from beginner level or intermediate level to advanced level in 100 days. And I have full-fledged very good plan which guaranteed you that it can make you fluent in English. You know what, for this video I have planned 100 tasks for you. Yes, you heard it right, 100 tasks. Each day you will get different tasks. How interesting it would be if somebody will give you the full-fledged plan of 100 days. Like every day you don't have to guess what you should do to improve your English. Here I have 3 tasks each day. Also, I have made a habit tracker as well. There you will put a tick mark after completing each task each day. Okay, so we will talk about that later. I'll give you a glimpse of that later, but first we will discuss about our plan, how we are going to go about it in 100 days. Okay, so I have divided it into 3 phases. Okay, and for the phase number 1 we have different goals, we are doing different activities, and for phase number 2 different, and phase 3 will be different. Okay, I've kept all the tasks, everything, keeping in mind that one can be a beginner, other person can be at intermediate level. Like some people have not started their English learning journey yet, and others are in ongoing journey of learning English. So I have kept everything in mind. So this video is going to be very interesting video. More than this video, that habit tracker, that task planner is very important for you, because once I will give that planner to you, you all can just see day wise. For example, it's your day 1, so I have planned some activities. I have planned 3 activities for day 1. You have to just click over there and you have to see 3 activities, and those activities you have to perform. And after performing those activities, after just completing those activities, you will come and put a tick mark. Okay, so next day when you will come back, you will feel very happy, you will feel that you have accomplished something, right? So it will give you a motivation as well. So first phase is going to be foundation phase. For the first month, means from day 1 to day 30, our goal is to building vocabulary, because without words, without vocabulary, you will not be able to frame sentences and speak English. So we will focus on building vocabulary, pronunciation, and sentence structure. So in 30 days, I have planned only those activities which will help you to build vocabulary, it will help you with your pronunciation, and it will help you to frame sentences comfortably. Okay, so first 30 days are going to focus on this, because I cannot mention each and every task of 100 days here in one video. That is why I have made that Excel sheet that you will find in description box. You will go and check it out. So I have further divided the phase number 1 in 3 category: day number 1 to day number 10, and then 10 to 20, and 20 to 30. So first phase, like day 1 to day 10, we will focus on building vocabulary. I want you people to learn at least 200 most important words which you will need to frame sentences, to talk with someone, to converse with someone. Okay, so we will focus on building vocabulary, and we will watch a lot of content in these days, in these 10 days. Okay, but 11 to day 20, what you're going to do is you have to master your daily conversation skills. So different plans I have for that also, keeping this thing, like when you will go to market, how will you talk? If you are going for inquiry, how will you talk? If you're meeting your friend, how will you talk? Okay, so all these things, I have kept all these things in mind, and I have provided you vocabulary related to that in day number 11 to day number 20. Next, day number 21 to 30 will be focusing on like your listening skill. How will you understand native speakers without switching on the subtitles? Okay, now let's jump to phase number 2. I have called this phase as practice zone. Now you have done practice of pronunciation, you have learned vocabulary, you have listened or watched a lot of English content. Now you are comfortable with the language, your brain knows how this language works, you are able to understand everything. Now this is the high time that you start practicing and start giving more time to practice English, to practice spoken English, basically. Okay, so that is why I have planned like 30 minutes practice session. You have to narrate a story to yourself in front of a mirror, or you have to just record a video like that. So now this full phase, day 31 to day 60, focuses on practice. 31 to day 60, I will give you these tasks that now you have to challenge yourself and think in English for whole day. You are not allowed to think in any other language. Day 31 to day 40. Okay, also you will practice on building confidence. For that, you have to go out, you have to talk with someone, you have to push yourself. Even if you are very shy, very hesitant, then also you have to push yourself. I don't know how are you gonna do that, but this is challenge for you, and you have to do that. Okay, I have just left that on you, so you have to go and talk with people. So I have planned exercises like that. So that is why I'm saying, more than watching this video, it is important to check out that Excel sheet that I have given, because I have planned all the activities over there. Okay, but I am giving you just a glimpse of all these activities here in this video, so that you could understand what is there in the Excel sheet. Okay, and I'm explaining all those things to you, why I have planned such activities. Okay, so day number 31 to 40, you have to extensively practice English. Now you have to do self-talk every day. Now you have to give, like, record voice notes to yourself, and you will send it to yourself, right? On WhatsApp, there's one feature that you can message yourself. So you will record voice notes to yourself and send it to yourself, and you will listen it afterwards. Okay, and if you want, you can message yourself and revert back to yourself. Also, you will practice with AI, any ChatGPT or any other AI tool you can use, and you will converse with it. Okay, so yeah, all these things now you are going to do. You are going to do it extensively, like for 30 minutes every day. You have to do that. You have to speak, you have to analyze. Now it is high time that you have to become that confident. You are not taking time to think vocabulary, framing sentences, and you're translating. These things should not happen at this stage. Okay, when you are at phase 2. Till now, many people are gone. They have left the video. They are not watching the video anymore. But if you are watching till now, I want to say that I'm proud of you, because you people are really motivated to learn English, and you have faith in me that whatever I'm telling is really gonna work. That means you have faith in me. I want to say thank you to you, and I will not disappoint you with this. Okay, I have put a lot of thought. I have just gathered all my experience and all my learnings, and then I have made this video. Then I have made all those exercises, keeping everything in mind. So I've got you. You can trust me. Now day 40 to 50 focuses on grammar. From day 41 to 51, I have included a lot of grammar topics, a lot of basic things that you are going to need to polish your English, to speak more confidently, like some idioms, some phrases. All these things also you have to learn, because now you know how to speak, but you have to enhance your communication skills. When you speak, other person will be bound to listen to you. So for that, you have to learn some phrases, some vocabulary, some advanced idioms. So all these things, and basic grammar also, like some complex sentences, some complex movies. So these kind of tasks I have given to you. Here you will be able to speak even complex sentences as well. Okay, so yeah, it is going to be most interesting and the hardest phase as well, because phase 3 is going to be your fluency sprint. Okay, so in this phase, I will give you some very difficult tasks like tongue twisters you have to learn, and some very very advanced words you will learn, and you will summarize some texts from the book. I will ask you to read some difficult text and then try to understand and try to summarize in your own words. Or I'll give you some like random topics you have to speak for 1 minute. Number 3 basically focuses on polishing your English to next level. Okay, phase 3 is all about grooming and polishing your English. So some complex tasks are given here, like watching any complex movie. Also, I will leave some links also for your convenience if you want to watch from there, or you can just simply search anywhere else and do. So yeah, these were the recommendations from my side, and this is the proper plan. I will highly recommend you all to go down and download that. So yeah, this is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you liked it. Do not forget to check out the Excel sheet. That is very very important if you will follow. And the most interesting thing here is to that check box. After completing, when you will tick that box, you will feel that energy that you have accomplished something. And yeah, in this way you don't have to guess or you have to search what you will do. Here everything is cooked for you. You only have to do the tasks. The only thing you have to do is to practice. So I hope you like this video, and if you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And these were very very interesting activities, and I have given a lot of thought about it. So yeah, come to the video, and after completing these tasks, any random day of the challenge, you can come and comment down below and share your experience in the comment section. I will love to read that message because it might inspire others as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video.